Hello, welcome to Initial Solution. I'm going to show you how to forward mail in Yahoo Mail. Let's start. First of all, log into your account. Select the mail you want to forward. Then click this arrow and type the receiver's email and click the send button to forward. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.